Hello, Shaytards. My name's Cody. I'm 19, and this is my response to how YouTube has changed or inspired my life. So when I was 16, I was diagnosed with cancer, and I had a stem cell transplant, and I was at Sloan Kettering. I was in there a lot. I think it was 2.5 months straight for this transplant, and then weeks on weeks after that. And you go there and you share a funny video to a friend or everyone, and it kind of brings a little community out, and then they share one to you. So it's a good communication application because a lot of kids are a little bit shy because they don't know what to do there. So that's one way. And then when I got home, I would be interested in more videos, so I would look at like prank versus prank, and I would try to do some of those pranks on my mom or the doctors, but not as intense as they would do it. But and then CTFXC, I would play some We the King songs in my drums. You watch anything that interests you. Like I'm interested in poker, so I would watch poker videos. Or you could be interested in sewing, you could watch sewing videos. Or hunting, you could watch hunting Hushing with Levere. I mean, it's endless. And then you can go crazy stuff like my eyes are droopy, so I'm getting eye surgery. And I went on Google and I searched what different kinds of eye surgery. It might not be completely accurate, but it's good enough to get an idea. It's just anything you can do. It changes your life in so many ways. Like for when you guys, the Shaytards, were away for a week, they asked people to do montages, and I made one. Well, I made one how it inspired me, and it really lifted me up. They put me on, they talked to me, they gave me that happiness is a choice shirt, and every like say me over 100 people wrote feel better, gave me some stuff, and I'm reaching 2 minutes, but like just wanted to say it's really a good thing, and I hope this helped your documentary. Thank you.